back to another Trendmood Box unboxing. So, once again, I totally don't even remember what the hell is in this one. So this is going to be as much a surprise to me as it is to you guys. So, reaching right in, we have, from First Aid Beauty, which you know I adore, we have Cleansing Oil plus Makeup Remover. Interesting. Okay. Apply generous amount to dry face with fingertips and gently massage, focusing on areas with heavier makeup application. Add water, continuing to massage to dissolve the makeup and impurities. Rinse thoroughly and pat dry. That sounds easy enough. I'll definitely have to give that a go, because, wow, that sounds pretty nice. Pretty nifty. Next up, from Keys Soul Care, we have a natural flush complexion brush with super soft vegan bristles. This is one of those that has the routine to ritual thing on it. The apply and diffuse cream or liquid formulas by stippling and blending. To complete the ritual, recite the affirmation during application. What's the affirmation? I don't see one anywhere on here. Anybody who buys from this brand, are you familiar with what the affirmation is they're talking about? Ooh, those are soft. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what to compare that to in terms of softness. It's like a baby kitten's fur. It's so soft, like a really fluffy one. That is insane, and that's synthetic. That's not even, like, real hair. That's crazy how they got it that soft. My goodness. That's gonna be lovely to use. Okay, let's put that back in for safekeeping for now. But yeah, for real, let me know if anybody knows what affirmation it is they're talking about, or if they're just talking about set your own affirmation. I don't know. Ooh, from Origins. I'm actually really excited to have something from them that's like a full size. Their Ginseng Oil-Free Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer. I've had other things from this line, but always in samples. So I'm like, ooh, I have a full size of something. A wake-up call for tired skin. This advanced, lightweight, oil-free moisturizer with energy boosting ginseng and coffee. Rapidly perks up dull, lackluster complexions. It instantly infuses skin with replenishing hydration, while our innovative Hydra Hug technology helps skin cells lock in and maintain healthy moisture levels, so you look radiant and rested. No espresso necessary. Avoid eye area. Huh. Very, very interesting, but that sounds exciting to try, actually. What's this guy? Ooh, this is big, whatever this is, and it came with a card. This is a Kopari and Ulta collab. Look how big this is. This is their new Ultra Restore Body Butter with hyaluronic acid. That's a big ol' hefty thing of it, too. Like, wow. With hyaluronic acid, prickly pear, and coconut oil. Get instant and restorative hydration for dry, distressed skin. This velvety whipped Ultra Restore Body Butter will leave your skin silky soft with hydrating results. Okay. Rub onto dry or damp skin. Can be used on entire body, heels, elbows, and anywhere else that needs a drink of hydration. Woo! Hydration. It is recyclable, clean, and vegan. Very nice. That is just, I can't get over that they sent something like that. That beefy just is like part of this. I didn't pay that much for this box, so I'm like, okay. Because that seems like an expensive product there. It claims that this is the body butter that sold out 3 times. Dang. Guess people really like it. Okay, this is from, I guess the brand must be called Wildcat. It's the Orchid, Stem Cell, and Magnolia Berry Adaptogen Eye Gel. Soothe, lift, and brighten. Ooh, okay. With a pH level of 6.0. A daily treatment for eyes that crave a little extra TLC. This lightweight eye gel works to instantly hydrate and help soften the look of those pesky little lines. Formulated with adaptogen powerhouse Magnolia Berry antioxidant-rich orchid stem cells, This formula helps soothe and restore the moisture barrier around the eyes. Use morning and night. Apply a small amount using your ring finger and gently tap around the eye area. Definitely going to be using that. So we have more from the Keys Soul Care brand. And this is the Sheer Flush Cheek Tint in Sensual. And it again has use the natural flush complexion brush or fingers to blend on the cheeks to complete the ritual or recite the affirmation during application. But what, pray tell, is the affirmation? I'm not seeing one anywhere on here. Maybe I should go to their website, see, like, is there something I'm missing that, like, everyone else knows about that I don't? Let's see, what color are we really? Oh, that's dark. Ooh, that's dark. That's like the color of my hair. Like, literally the exact color of my hair. How is that gonna be a blush? Oh boy. Oh boy. That is very, very, very dark. I don't know about that. Oh, here's the affirmation. It's on the side of the thing. I choose my own path. Okay. I like that. I think there's something else on the top lid. I took it out from the bottom because the top had a sticker across it, and until I'm ready to review it, I don't want to foobar the box, so carefully reclose that, but that's nice. I like that. Very, very dark shade, though, but maybe because it's sheer it won't be bad, but I don't know. It seems very dark. Ooh, we have a comforting tinted lip balm by the same brand in the color Lucid. You put yourself first. Let's see here. Yeah, same kind of idea with its directions too. So I think it just says that on all the products. How am I gonna get into here? Without destroying it, preferably. I'm looking for something skinny that I can, like, pop in there under it. I knocked this down off here, didn't I? That can go back up. But, do I have it? Nope. Almost. Got it. Okay. So I'm trying really hard not to tear boxes till it's time to review. I put myself first. It's the one on here. Oh, it's just clear. Okay. That's alright. All of that to find out it's clear. Alright, I suppose with a name like Lucid, I'd probably... And a white background. I should have guessed that. I really should have guessed that. That's okay. It's okay. And the final one in the box is also from that brand, also a tinted lip balm, but it's in the color Manifestation. So, alright, this one seems a little more exciting. Oh, good, that one opens more easily, too. Ooh, okay. A little iffy with that top layer there, but the sides look fine. Ooh, smells like candy. But yeah, look at that color. Matches my straw. But, okay. Between a clear one and one with a bunch of tint, that's pretty good. But yeah, for a box that I probably paid about $40 for everything in it altogether, that is not terrible. And Trendmood isn't subscription-based, it's first come, first served. If you're in the first 200 people, cool. If not, then you miss out. Pretty much is like their whole model. But anyway, that's all that was in this box, so hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.